going to show you how to use an Eggy to make the perfect egg. An egg that looks like this. This is a fry pan egg ring. This brand is particularly called Eggy. You're going to need this. You're also going to need an egg. I have one egg right here. And you're going to need a pan. The pan currently I am preheating. And I'm going to set the egg to the side. And I'm going to take the Eggy out of its casing or its egg. Right here, it's the Eggy right here. It shows you how to use it. It says cooking tips. Coat the inside of the ring with butter, margarine, or oil. Now you need to do that first before you turn on the pan, but because I am the chef, I'm doing it my way today, and I'm using an induction stove, so there is no flame. So preheat the pan after you've added the butter, margarine, or oil. Place egg ring in the pan, and crack the egg into it. Tilt the pan to spread the egg so the entire ring is filled. Cook on low to medium. I'm going to turn it down to low to medium. It's going to do. It says use the tab to remove from pan. So this is the tab that they're talking about. So let's go and get started with this. I have a pan heating up. It is at about a medium. And it says use cooking oil, butter, or margarine. I'm going to use California Olive Ranch extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to put some in the pan. Now, if I were using a different stove, has a flame or coil, I would not do this. But because I'm the chef and for video purposes, I'm doing it my way, this way. Do it like the instructions say if you're going to be doing this. So I'm going to place the egg ring in the center, like it says. Then I'm going to crack the egg. And I'm going to place the egg inside of that. So let me get in a little bit closer so you can see the progress. Go ahead and get in there. Actually bring it down a little bit. And you can see that the egg is cooking quite nicely. Perhaps bring a spatula. And one of the instructions on here says that you're supposed to take the Eggy and tilt it to make sure the entire egg gets a little bit of love. As you can see, I'm cooking it right here. It seems to be cooking fast. Just going to bring it down just a notch. One of the things I like to do while it's cooking is add a little bit salt and pepper. I'm going to push it real good, okay? So you're going to put it on there like that. Absolute. So it's cooking. And if it's cooking a little too fast, you can bring it down a notch. But it seems to be cooking quite nicely. See the sides of it. It's starting to firm up a little bit. Get a different angle so you can see this cooker rating a little bit better. If you come up to it, you can see around the sides, it's bubbler rating, cooking quite nicely. The pepper flakes are on top, permeating the yolk. You can see the pepper flakes on the yolk. And put a little bit of salt on the yolk. And it seems to be cooking all the way through. Some of you who don't like the sunny side egg, after this finishes cooking on one side, you could flip it. and you'll see the other side cook as well. Just bubble rating a little bit. And all of the egg seems to be staying contained. This is the eggy. All right. So I'm going to do now, looks like it's not really running anymore. It's actually walking. Just going to take this. And look at the eggy. See, it's perfectly round right here. So this is the eggy. Now, if you want your eggy to be just like that, perfect round, almost like you're at a McDonald's, kinda, you could leave it just like that. But if you want the yolk to be cooked, you can go ahead and take spatula. And flip it like that. See how it's going right here? I have it flipped. Now if I want the yolk to burst, because I want the yolk all the way cooked, I can. But in this case, I want it cooked over easy. So I'm going to let this cook for about a few more seconds, just to get it hot on the outside a little bit. And then I'm going to flip it back to the normal side. Seems to be cooking very nicely. Nice golden just on the middle. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take the spatula, flip it like that. So it's over easy. And when that is done, go ahead and take the egg, slide it on the plate just like that, turn the stove off, get your fork ready. See how that? Over easy right here. Just like that. That is the eggy pan frying egg ring. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.